Hello everyone and welcome to my English. Today we're going to be checking the passive voice. As always, the first question that we need to ask is, when do we use it? Now, to start thinking about that answer, we need to establish some differences. And the first one is, what is an active voice? Now, if we look at this sentence, for example, we say, they visit the park. This is an active sentence. He plays the piano. Again, this is an active sentence. Now, an active sentence is characterized by a subject, a verb, and a complement. So we're going to find somebody who does an action that is done by someone, and finally, we're going to have a complement. He plays the piano, for example, as we mentioned before. Now, when we have the passive voice, the most important, it's going to be the action. The action becomes number one for me and for the sentence that I want to write or that I want to say. For example, in this sentence, we say, Jack broke a window. So we say that we have a subject, a verb, and a complement. In this case, the sentence is in simple past tense. Now, if we change it to the passive voice, this is what we're going to be doing. We have an object, the verb to be, the past participle of a verb, and finally we have a subject. So what is my object? A window. The window that was broken. Now, the original sentence was in past tense. So it means that the to be, it's also going to be in past tense. And finally, we're going to have a verb in the past participle. So, if we have a verb in past tense, when we change from the active to the passive, the verb to be, it's going to be using in simple past tense. So, the verb to be needs to be according to the original sentence. So, we have past, we use past. We have present, we use the verb to be in present. So, we can say a window was broken by Jack. What is the most important thing here? The action that happened there. A window that was broken. We have a second example. Betty eats an apple. This sentence is in simple present tense. So the verb to be, it's going to go in the simple present tense as well. We change the order of that sentence to create from active voice to the passive voice. So we say an apple, it's eaten by Betty. So again, remember, if we have present tense, the verb to be, it's going to be in present. If we have past tense, the verb to be, it's going to be from past tense active to past tense passive. So we say an apple is eaten by Betty. Here, Betty is not really the most important part of the sentence. The most important is what is happening. That the apple is eaten by our beautiful Betty. So with this, we finish with the passive voice. Remember to click on the bell, to subscribe, and to keep watching our videos. Thank you very much, and bye.